What's up, YouTube? It's me, Kay. Beep. And but he's not here. Look at my hair. Look, I look like fucking Lion King. But I'm gonna teach you this new dance. All right. So whenever we tell you this shit, this is how it's gonna happen. Ready? Yeah. Don't be like. I look crazy, but I'm so pretty. Like I'm really, really pretty. But like my hair just looks crazy, and I'm on the beach right now, and I'm so exhausted. I've been up since like 5 o'clock yesterday morning. Okay, ready? Alright. So guess what? This is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna drop it. Strip right. Wait, hold on, I fucked up. We're gonna drop it. Strip right. Swing with it. And cup it. Swing with it. And drop it. Pop. Strip right. Some shit like that. And cup it. Sorry. Yeah, I'm super retarded. But guess what? Tina Weena had involved with it too. And so did Shane. Shane? No, he really didn't. It was just my retardedness. You gotta swing with it. And drop with it. And strip with it. And cut with it. I look like fucking like Simba. I'm just kidding. Look, y'all, I'm walking back home. This is lame. This nigga that I fucking met, he was like lame as hell. Lame as hell. That's what happens nowadays. You meet some lames, and then you end up just jumping out the car like, bitch, I will stab you like with my whole motherfucking... Look, I was trying to screw the wall, but you know what I mean. Tú sabes que estoy hablando, si hablas español, tú sabes que estoy hablando. Okay, wait, okay, está bien. Look, I'm going to Goodwill. I'm already out of breath. Oh, so look, check this out, y'all. This is the spot that my baby daddy thought that I fucking literally left a footprint right there where that fence is. Not that orange thing. That I left a footprint on the floor. Hi. I will stab you. Protection. Y'all keep an eye. Oh, what's here? Can we look through here? I wonder. Oh, I think we can. Oh, beautiful. I'm gonna take some shit from here. I wonder if you can do that. He calls me beautiful. Oh, I like this. I think I'm gonna keep this. Oh, this shit is heavy. Oh, I think Eddie B would like this. Can you carry all these frames? Like, these are heavy. Like it says, God so loved the word that he gave his only begotten son, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting. That's John 3:16. Like, who doesn't know that? Like, that's beautiful. I think Eddie B would love that. They can have that. I'm taking these two for sure. That bitch is heavier than a bitch though. Let's see. Can you take these shits or what? Oh my god, I'm taking this because that's my tattoo. Finding peace within. These are a bunch of books. I don't read books. But I'm sure. Oh my god, that looks like my sister's drawing. I think that's really beautiful though. Look at that. like abuela shit. Oh, he likes the globe shit though. I'm gonna have to take that one too. I'll be like, I thought you might like it. Cause I love you. What's this? That's like a whole notebook with handprints. I'm good. Anyways, y'all see you.